Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. How's your work going?
It's going good. We have a new project incoming, so I need to plan for the entire project. I'll definitely have sleepless nights.
I've already told you to use PLM solutions. It's going to make your life easy.
Let's catch up tomorrow and discuss about this.
Good. I'll see you tomorrow then.
Sure. By the way, what's this great solution you were going to tell me to make my life easy?
Well, we use 3DEXPERIENCE. It's a cloud-based collaborative environment for the whole organization.
Hi Sunny, can you do a quick markup and show which parts needs to be validated? Also, check the feedback of the poll conducted for the cover page.
Sure, sir. I'm on it.
What's up?
Nothing. I just need to share some markups and community surveys to my manager.
Community? Facebook community?
No, let me show you. You see this? This is all I need. I will be logging into 3DEXPERIENCE platform where my entire company is interconnected. In my dashboard, I can easily search for my data using tags.
Your data is on the cloud?
Yeah, all my company's data is on the cloud and it can be accessible based on the user rights. Now in this tool, let me show you a cool thing. I can take multiple orientations of the 3D model and use them like slides. This makes it very easy to add all the information.
That's convenient. For me, searching for a file itself takes a long time. Even after finding the files, I would need to take screenshots and use image manipulation tools to add the markups.
The community is a tool that allows us to have surveys where members can vote on it. We can also post videos, images and 3D models.
I take my Facebook comment back. It's definitely a lot more than that.
You know, I can call my manager using 3DEXPERIENCE itself. Hello. Hi sir. I've shared the markups and the survey results to you.
Great Sunny, I'll look at it. By the way, this manufacturing team has raised an issue. Can you resolve this?
Sure, let me check on it. Nice timing. Now we can get to see how 3DEXPERIENCE is going to handle engineering changes.
I am excited.
If I look at the issue created by the production team, I can see the members responsible, attributes, and the model for rectifying the issue. I can add a change action for the issue. All I need to do is set the priority of the change, maturity to in work, and assign all the responsible teammates. To understand the engineering definition of the part causing the issue, I can open the parts in the engineering release app. The relationship of all the parts with their assemblies are embedded in the components. This allows me to understand how the changes in the part will be carried down the line. And the comparison app allows me to compare the revisions of the part. It indicates the changes between the revisions using color coding for precise comparisons. 3DEXPERIENCE also provides me a project planner which gives me a bird's-eye view of the entire activities with task burnedowns and risk assessments. And each task assigned has all the necessary info for it to be completed, like attachments, deadlines and priority of the task. All of this is associated with each other, thereby reducing my effort.
Great. In my case, if I had to do the same thing, I would require multiple applications. I would use Excel to track the projects and update it manually, and use mails to assign tasks. But here in 3DEXPERIENCE, I see everything happens in one ecosystem. Since all the data is on the cloud, aren't you worried about that?
No, 3DEXPERIENCE has 5 layers of security including the latest internet protocols. So whatever data you save it on the cloud is automatically backed up all the time, which is a big plus point.
This definitely saves a lot of time and effort. Does this also support other CAD softwares?
Yes, it does. 3DEXPERIENCE has connectors for multiple CAD softwares, including Microsoft Office.
I am convinced it is a one-stop solution for an enterprise, and I will definitely look into it and propose it for my organization.
So you see, 3DEXPERIENCE is not just a solution for your problem, it is also a platform for your enterprise.
It's a collaborative environment that connects whole organization and beyond. It's a platform, data management, revision, cloud-based design, Innovia, governance and project planner. Anywhere, anytime, any kind of device, business and industry, innovator, cloud PLM that connects the entire organization. See you at 3D Experience World 2023.